it be great if there is a smart robot that can accompany your children while cleaning the household together? Today, CleanMate has prepared an intelligent cleaning product, QQ6 Vacuum Cleaning Robot, Macaron Series. Its appearance will bring great help and quality time to the parents and their children. QQ6 is very quiet while cleaning around the house. It is equipped with air purification function to provide fresh air while you enjoy your rest. QQ6 also has ultrasonic detection system. It is able to sense obstacles and prevent collision with furniture, allowing QQ6 to navigate better. QQ6 robot can also be used as a toy for children. The strong ultraviolet light can help sterilize the floor, taking care of baby's health. The ultra-thin design makes QQ6 able to travel freely in the house. It can clean under sofa, cabinet, and bed, covering every corner in the home. It can also set up a virtual wall and prevent QQ6 from entering undesired areas. When the power is lower than 20%, the ultrasonic sensors will scan for the charger, and QQ6 will return to the base and recharge automatically. After a full recharge, QQ6 will turn on and start cleaning the floor on its own. The concise modular design concept makes it easy to maintain. Water can be applied to clean specific modules, such as the roller brush, dust chamber, and water tank. In addition, the vacuum cleaning robot also has an incredible accessory, the mopping pad. With the mopping pad, QQ6 can be a vacuum, wet mop, and dry mop all at once. Advanced technology has changed our way of life. The convenient, time-saving, innovative design, QQ6 Macaron Series, not only cleans the floor, but also purifies and freshens the air, making your home a better and comfortable place to live.